This app called Seeing AI, bottom right, can snap a photo of a handwritten text and convert it into a text. Take a picture with the app and it starts reading.
Dyspraxia at a glance. Dyspraxia, also known as developmental coordination disorder (DCD).
I can now copy the text and paste it into another app. In this new app, I'm here in Notability. I can then edit the text, change the presentation, and finally have it read again, if necessary, by the app.
Dyspraxia at a glance. Dyspraxia, also known as developmental coordination disorder, DCD, is a surprisingly common condition affecting movement.
The Seeing AI app is only available under iPadOS and iOS, that is to say on an iPad or on an iPhone.